This summer holidays, our children did something very different. They went into businesses, worked there as interns to get the real-time experience of being in jobs. Want to know more about it? Watch the whole video till the end.
SA Creations is an architectural and interior design studio.
This is a 2.5-decade-old company.
When I first time got to hear from A Plus team that you have a kind of internship program, because I've never heard like some school students doing this kind of a program. So that was something very astonishing.
Cafe Ira is an outdoor cafe located in Baswangudi.
We had few Master kids come over. They were very innovative, very confident. They were very friendly. They advised us on switching on the lights for the trees, and they added music and made our cafe a little more lively.
Our organization is majorly into helping people plan their financial lives or go and achieve whatever they want to do out in the future, right? So it was a very good experience for us to try making a young child, as young as say a 9-year-old kid to probably even a 12-13-year-old child.
They were very smart and confident, and they were very enthusiastic and energetic. Really good to see these kind of kids.
Flightshop is a family-owned business started by my dad 30 years ago. We are specialized in custom-made holidays, and we follow one simple rule called as hassle-free memorable holidays. So we make sure that you always find something new in a holiday, and it's always hassle-free. I think it was quite great working with young adults. So they did basics of a little bit the visas and flights and a couple of codings which related to travel industry. And we were quite happy with it because since they're the newer generation, we also learned how to process stuff and how we can add value to the young community of travelers.
1980s Games Cafe, we started about 2 years back, and we found that a lot of parents keep complaining that their children are always on the phone and they don't actually get to mingle with each other. So that's when we came up with this concept of Board Games Cafe. Mastery children were very enthusiastic. They were so eager to work here with us, and even we like the kind of questions they asked, and they were very eager to learn new. So every time one work was assigned to them, they were like, what's next? What else can we do?
Eurokids, we have many branches in Bangalore, and I am taking care of two, which is there in Koramangala, Eurokids, and the Hallur branch, and I'm being associated from past 12 years. It's my passion to be with kids. They are very different, and they always want to do something new, which I really appreciate about A Mastery. The children were they are coming and asking what should we do next. And they were about the age of 14 and 15, and I felt really happy about those kids that they were interested to do new things.
If you ask me currently what is really required, you need a person who can publicly speak, you need a person who understands the word, you need a person who can communicate. You basically need a person who can expose themselves to the outside world. In India, a major challenge for people is just to speak to someone else. You feel that okay, I'm inferior to maybe an Australian, or I'm inferior to an American, so you don't feel comfortable speaking to them. Whereas a student who's gone through A Plus Mastery, I've seen this. People who are 7 years old, 8 years old, 10 years old have the confidence to speak so much, and the only reason behind that is a key word called exposure.
We gave them a couple of tasks like sending mails, doing some PPTs, doing some social media activities, and also we asked them to even receive certain phone calls. So to get a first-hand experience, and they were pretty good. I've surprised 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard people doing that boldly was something which is very unique, which none of the schools have adopted, and that is a credit to A Plus team, I would say.
The girl by name is Purti. She gave me a simple suggestion. Sir, why can't we take a feedback from the customers and paste it on the wall? So I felt that is really a very good idea, and I just implemented it. And here is the result.
I've given them the areas where they have to do research. It was on various factors. It was about transportation also, the school fees, and the ambience. I've sent them to couple of preschools nearby our school. So
This is a platform where you're already setting it up like 4 or 5 years before for them. So 100% they'll be doing much better, and this is a very nice program, I would say. And you should continue, and you should make more people go in different aspects and different places and different offices, so that children will really get benefited.
It's a really very good course, and I feel every children has to take this course. Seeing these kids, I was very happy, and I thought of my kid to enroll to the A+ Mastery, and I also enrolled.
I would strongly recommend A+ Mastery to all children. Because they actually develop the next level of leadership and communication skills. That's what we found in these children. The way they communicate was like flawless.
A+ Mastery, as a parent, I would like to give you a feedback. Both my kids are there in A+ Mastery. They are doing extremely good. It's been 1 year journey where I can see a lot of improvement in them in terms of public speaking, in terms of the way they are doing things. I would like to thank A+ Mastery, to give this opportunity to my kids.
To all the parents who are thinking twice about A+ Mastery for your son or daughter, I just have a very, very simple question for you. Do you want your son or daughter to sit at home with a gadget or a tab in front of their face, or do you want them to understand and explore this beautiful world which surrounds them?